Ideally situated in a sought-after location in Maroochydore and a moment's walk to Maroochydore River, it is my pleasure to bring to you one of 60 to 62 Broadsea Avenue, Maroochydore. This stylish unit presents near new as it has recently undergone a full renovation. The unit offers low-maintenance living as all the hard work has been done and is move-in ready. The unit consists of 2 sizable bedrooms, both with built-in cupboards and ceiling fans for added comfort. The open-plan kitchen features stone benchtops, induction cooktop, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage and air conditioning. The complex also offers a gorgeous sparkling in-ground pool and extra storage options. Location is key. This property offers the best of both worlds. Close proximity to Maroochydore CBD, high-end shopping, cafes, Sunshine Coast Airport and quick motorway access, while still being quietly tucked away. So if you could see yourself winding down by the pristine Maroochydore River on an afternoon walk, then I look forward to seeing you at our first private inspection.